Good morning, student. I, Dr. Fani Bhushan Sharma. As we all know, our syllabus is totally completed and remedial classes are also completed. But a very special or miscellaneous topic of voltage gradient of HVAC transmission we should discuss today. Initially, we should know what is electrostatic. Conductor used for extra high voltage transmission line are thin, long cylinders which are known as line charges. Their charge is described in coulombs per unit length, which was used for evaluating the capacitance matrix of a multiple conductor line. Types of important electrode configuration useful for extra high voltage practice in the field and laboratory. Example of this type are spare plane gaps, spare to spare gaps, point to plane gaps, road to plane gaps, road to road gaps, conductor to tower gaps, conductor to conductor gaps, above a ground plane, etc. etc. This is one of the oldest techniques adopted for the measurement of all types DC equal to AC, most probably equal to an impulse voltage either polarity. It remains the most widely used method between two identical spheres between non-uniform field. Mainly this theory we are using field of sphere or breakdown characteristics of such a gap. Gap distance is not greater than radius of the sphere. And now we comes on very important topic, surface voltage gradient on conductor. First we should know what is voltage gradient. Voltage gradient is a difference in electrical potential across a distance or space. Mathematically, the voltage gradient, normally denoted by F, can be described in one dimension between points A and B. The difference in the potential, mainly represented by small p, at A and B, divided by the length between point X between point A and B. Or we can say F equal to PB minus PA divided by XB minus XA, that is equal to del P by del X. This mathematics can be extended into 2 or 3 dimensions depending on the type of voltage gradient being evaluated. Voltage gradient are very important for corrosion protection, survival techniques such as direct current voltage gradient. At the core, voltage gradient arise from electrical potential of a material. Electrical potential is a property depend on the distance between the two particles at hand. For example, potential V of a point charge is described at V equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon E0 upon R, where E0 is the permittivity of the vacuum, Q is the charge and is the distance. And here this formula for voltage surface gradient on conductor is calculated by E equal to V by root 3 V log Rn ARE 2H. Here what are the meaning that thing? E is the conductor surface voltage gradient, that's unit kilovolt per centimeter volt or line voltage. B, small b, is the factor of multiple conductors, that is the radius of conductor in centimeter. Capital R, outside the radius of bundle conductor in centimeter. RE, equivalent radius of bundle conductor in centimeter. S, distance between component conductors centers in centimeter, or what is the phase spacing in centimeter. H is the height of conductor above the ground in centimeter. N is the number of component conductor in bundle. What are bundle conductors? We already know many things discussed about bundle conductor. If voltage is more than about 300 kV per centimeter, corona causes a significant power loss and radio interference. So if you using bundle conductor, the corona will be reduced because it reduces the voltage gradient. A bundle conductor is a conductor made up of 2 or more. The high voltage gradient is reduced considerably by the use of bundle conductor. This is the main function of bundle conductor. Number of subconductors that is the duplex, triplex, quadrilex. This is the diagram of 765 kV transmission line in India with 4 subconductors per phase. Bundle spacing is another very important phenomenon. The spacing between subconductors is known as bundle spacing and is most normally denoted by capital B, and normally it is more than 30 cm. In almost all cases, the subconductors are uniformly distributed on a circle. The radius of the pitch circle on which the subconductors are located is known as bundle radius. The various advantages of using bundle conductors are reduced reactance, voltage gradient, corona loss, radio interference and surge impedance. Thank you very much.